What's up, y'all? This your boy Ink, back at it again with another video. Make sure y'all hit that like, hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and leave a comment on the way out, y'all. As you guys can see in the description, I am gonna talk about the Turpins. I came across Miss Turpin, all right? So we're gonna get right into that and what happened. If you guys aren't up to date on who the Turpins are, I put a link in the description so you guys could go and dig in on what all this case was about and what they did. So moving forward, man, I'm in Southwest County Jail. You know, I'm looking to get sentenced. I postponed to see my family and all that before I go upstate. Who knows what prison I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna have to go through Wasco, then I'm gonna have to go maybe all the way up north. And you know, I want to make sure I could get money on my books before they start taking restitution, or if they take restitution, right? So we don't really know. You know, this was supposed to be a good day for me because I had beat my life sentence. I was going to get sentenced to go upstate and finish off the rest of my time and actually have a release date and go home. So for me, you know, my family was going to be there. Everybody was going to be supporting me. It was a positive day, even though I was getting sentenced to prison, just because the circumstance and everything that I went through for 16 months trying to beat that case. So I'm ready to go, man. I get on the bus. Somebody's already sitting to the left, right? And at this time, I didn't really know too much about the case. I maybe heard it a little bit on the news, seen it or whatever, but I didn't really dig deep and watch it for too long and realize that this was the wife to Mr. Turpin, you know, to the infamous Turpins, right? That did that horrific thing in the house with the foster kids and all that stuff. Well, anyway, these are the Turpins. We're gonna show some pictures. Obviously, I didn't really know who this person was. They're loading the bus. They're putting us on the bus, right? So once we get loaded, I don't know if they were forgetting somebody or they're doing roll call. They're basically figuring out who's all on the bus. So they're calling names. Now, I don't know if they did this on purpose to try to let us know, like, hey, this is her. But they start yelling out names, and one of the guards, I don't know if he was a rookie or if he was seasoned or what their motive was, but he calls out her name. So he calls out her name, and she says, you know, and answers to that name. So everybody on the bus just gets quiet. That bus was loud. The bus usually gets loud once they take off to court. They start driving, and people start talking or whatever. And then the cops will yell, everybody be quiet, we're gonna turn off the radio, yada, yada, yada. So then everybody gets quiet. But people try to get their conversations in as soon as they can before the bus fully takes off or whatever. So we're on the bus and everybody gets to talking. Everybody gets quiet. Whispers, little chats. I'm like, what's going on, bro? Who the fuck, what's up? You don't know who this lady is, right? And I told him, okay, yeah, that sounds familiar. I heard of the case. But then he starts getting into description. He starts telling me and really letting me know the crazy shit that happened behind that case. So I just get this eerie feeling in my stomach, right? And I look up, I look at this lady. She's smiling. She was just smiling at everybody over there because she was maybe intimidated or scared that, hey, they said her name and now everybody knows who she is. You know, and maybe she was just trying to ease the situation by smiling at us, but nobody was having that, bro. Everybody started saying fucked up shit. You piece of shit, you fucking motherfucker, fuck you. Like, just talking shit, bro. And then the whole ride there was just dead fucking quiet. And mind you, this lady's face looked skeletal. Like, for real. Like, really, really skeletal. And I can't ever forget or get that fucking smile or that look out of my head. You know what I'm saying? It's fucking... It's crazy, bro. But we get to the county jail and now they're unloading the bus, right? So we get to the county jail and now they're unloading the bus. So they're unloading the bus, and as they unload the bus, the first group of people that got right up to the front of her, because she was in the cages, right? Where nobody could get to her, the single cages. So they start spitting on her, bro, just hawking loogies, big old, just nasty, slimy, bro, just spitting all over her, yelling at her, bro. The cops, they ain't doing shit, bro. They ain't moving, nothing. They're letting these dudes do this shit, bro. You know, I'm at the back of the line waiting to get off the bus, you know, just standing there in the line. and they just went at it, bro. They just let her have it. And he almost all the way off the bus to me, bro. People all spat on her, said shit to her. Cops didn't give a fuck, didn't say nothing. They didn't tell nobody to stop, nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? But when I looked at this lady right before I got off the bus and I just seen her with all this spit, you know what I mean? And she just looks at me, bro. And she just gives me the most eeriest fucking weird grin ever. Like, just, I don't know, like, it went from smiling to after everybody spat on her, she just gave me the nastiest fucking look ever. Weird ass sideways grin, bro. And, you know, I just got off the bus, bro. You know, I didn't partake in doing all that type of shit, you feel me? But it was just really fucked up for my mind to go through all that, you know, and the whole time I was on the bus and just how it was dead silence the whole drive there, and everybody felt that crazy negative energy, like, you know, the whole atmosphere changed like that. Anyway, y'all, this your boy Ink, just dropping y'all stories that I've been through. Make sure y'all hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment on the way out, y'all. Y'all have a safe day.